If this is your first installation, please listen for a moment to some important tips. The Prodigy P2 offers a state-of-the-art tri-axis accelerometer that allows the brake control to be mounted at any 360-degree vertical direction. Locate the mounting position that is in the most convenient position possible and within easy reach. Most newer vehicles have a brake control vehicle plug-in point located in the primary electrical harness under the dash. Use the vehicle-specific wiring harness, sometimes provided by the automobile manufacturer or available separately from your brake control supplier, to connect the brake control wiring. Then plug it in under the dash. If your vehicle is older or does not provide a plug-in point, use the generic wiring instructions provided with the brake control, or see your dealer for installation details. If you have questions, please refer to the owner's guide or give us a call. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the road.